What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're unboxing the 2021 Hot Wheels K case. I get all of my Hot Wheels cases from granittoys.com. If you want to subscribe and get your own Hot Wheels cases sent to you monthly, go check out granittoys.com, links in the description box below. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And the super treasure hunt for this case is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Hopefully we find one of those in this case. Let's go ahead and unbox it. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll pull out our first three cars. And the first one that we have is Loco Motorin. We've got a new one from the X-Ray Racers series. We've got the Lancia Delta Integrale, new color for that one in black, and a new color of the Ram Rebel 1500. Check that one out. Very, very cool looking color of that one. And what else do we have? We've got the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. Cool looking color of that one. Custom 1970 Honda N600. That looks to be a new casting as far as I know. I don't think I've seen that one before. Very, very interesting to see that one. Cool, cool, cool. We'll open that one up in our next video. We've got the Chevy Silverado Off-Road. There we go. And what else do we have up here? We've got the Batman Batmobile. We've got the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor in silver. I really like that color. We had that one in our previous case. We've got the Porsche 993 GT2 looking fresh. Really, really like that casting. What else do we have up here? We've got Muscle and Blowin'. I think this is a brand new casting. Look at that one. I have never seen that one before. Very, very cool looking. Kind of looks like a muscle car type Viper, like a Rat Rod Viper. Almost. Very, very interesting. Like that. 1970 Chevy Camaro RS and an 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. Check that one out. Very, very cool color on that one. Gold wheels. All right. What do we have up here? We've got the 1968 Mustang Tunes, the Hot Wheels Art Cars Surf and Turf, and a new color of the 2017 Nissan GT-R R35. That looks to be like a kind of a grayish color, I would say it is, with a black stripe on there. That looks really good though. I like that. Throw those aside. We've got the whoa, cars are dropping behind me here. That's okay. The 2006 Pontiac Gto, the 69 Copo Camaro, and a brand new color of the Corvette C8R. We got the original one in yellow, and this is the other C8R color for it. So that one looks very, very cool. Liking that gray with the yellow trim on there. Fantastic looking car. All right, we'll put that aside. We've got the new color of the Mclaren Speedtail. Check it out, this silver color of the Mclaren Speedtail. So that is our third color variation of that one. Brand new color of the 2018 Bentley Continental Gt3 in white. Wow, some great recolors so far in this case. Really liking it. We've got 67 Chevelle SS 396. Check that one out. Muscle car. Look at that. The STI, Subaru WRX STI. New color of that one. And the clip rod. Check that out. All right. What else do we have here? We've got the Porsche 356 Outlaw. And this looks to be the mainline variation of the Super Treasure. It is the mainline variation of the Super for the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. It looks really, really good though. That, like the paint and the Tampa work on that, still for a mainline, looks excellent. We've got the 82 Dodge Rampage. We saw that one in our previous case. And what else do we have here? Lethal Diesel. We've got the 69 Copo Camaro Falcon Edition and the HW450F Hot Wheels Racing Team edition of that one. It's been a while since we've seen the HW450F. We had many different recolors of it for the past few years. We finally got another one of that. Jaguar XESV Project 8, color of that one. There's another clip rod and another one of those Jaguars. And what else do we have? at the bottom of the first half of the case, we've got a Supra, the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. We saw that one in our previous case, but we've got another one in this case. Very cool, like that. And this looks to be the treasure hunt of the case. It is the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata treasure hunt. You can see the treasure hunt logo just right there on the back of it. And if we look underneath, it'll probably have it printed right there. It's really tough to see, but it will have it printed on the card right there. So we've got the treasure hunt for the case, which is really cool. Special always to get those. Surfs Up, new color variation of Surfs Up. Very, very cool. Interesting fantasy casting of that one. All right, we'll go to our second half of the case right here. On the top, we've got the Lethal Diesel again. We've got, looks to be a new color of the Car de Asada, which is a new casting from this year. And another one of the local Motorins. All right. Really liking this case. Really, really good case so far. Batmobile. And wow, that is a crazy looking Batmobile. That's a new Batmobile. Very, very interesting looking. Check that one out. It almost looks like it's like a Fast and Furious car, like the Charger from Fast and Furious, but it is a Batmobile. All right, we'll put that aside. New color of Mod Rod. This one looks fantastic. Really like this color of that. The flames just suit the car. It's definitely a good looking one. That's got to be, I think that's my favorite Mod Rod. I love that colorway of that one. Very, very good. We've got the Formula E Gen 2 car. Looks to be a new color of that one as well. Very nice. And what else do we have up top? The 1980 El Camino from the Art Car series. We've got the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35 and another one of those Batmobiles. Definitely looking forward to opening up that Batmobile there. What else do we have? We've got the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. We've got the Batman Batmobile, another edition of a Batmobile, different kind, and another one of those 2017 Ford F-150 Raptors. And we're closing down here. Ooh, wow, look at that. Ford GT40, new color of that one, then and now series. That looks awesome. Love it. Love the GT40. You guys know it. I've always been a big fan of the Ford GTs and the GT40s. Muscle and Blown, another one of those ones. And the Surf and Turf, another one of those ones as well. Go down here. What else do we have? We've got the Bentley Continental Gt3 and the brand new color of the 2020 Koenigsegg Gto. This is like a pearly white color. That looks awesome. Wow, that's probably my favorite color of the Koenigsegg Gto they've released so far. We had a silver, we had the darker gray, and now the pearlish white. Looks great. I don't know what, Koenigsegg's in white, they just look awesome. Love it. And there's another one of the custom 1970 Honda N600s, another one of those ones. Throw that aside. We've got the Hotweiler and the 87 Dodge D100 and another one of the Formula E Gen 2 cars. And what else do we have right here? We've got the Car de Asada again, another one of the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTRs, and another 2006 Pontiac Gto. And what do we have? Another Mod Rod. Yes, we got one to collect, one to open up. The Hotweiler and the Loopster in a brand new color. Look at that one. Nice looking greenish color. All right, we'll put those down there. We've got the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition. We saw that one in our previous case. We've got the 1970 Chevy Camaro RS. And check this one out. We've got the Love 2021 Volkswagen Beetle. So it says Love 2021. So this is the maybe a Valentine's Day one? Holiday Racers? I don't know. We're a little bit past the Valentine's Day, but hey, there it is. Volkswagen Beetle looks good, looks fresh. We'll open that one up in our next video. We got another Supra, the 2020 Toyota Supra GR, or Toyota GR Supra, sorry. 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35, and a new color of the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. This is a search and rescue edition of it. I've always liked the Unimog. I think they're a cool looking truck. There's lots of different color variations we've got from Hot Wheels. Our last three cars of the case. So we've got, we'll take the case aside, we'll put it aside right there. There we go. We've got the Porsche 993 GT2, the Batman Batmobile, and the Batmobile. So there's the two Batmobiles for the case. But Very, very cool case, guys. Comment section down below which was your favorite car from the case. We'll be opening them up on our next video. Make sure you guys hit that like and follow button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.